How to set up call forwarding when busy on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then open up the phone app. Next, we tap on the More button and then choose Settings. In Call Settings, we scroll down and in here tap on Supplementary Services and then tap on Call Forwarding. Next, in here tap on Forward when busy. From here, put in your number that you want to forward the call to. At the moment, my device forward to voicemail. So here you can put in a number and then tap on the update button. So tap on the update button to save the changes. And that's it. After that, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.